Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to save Google Docs to files on iPhone. So this is a step-by-step guide on how you should do this, and you should install Google Docs first onto your device. Now launch the app, and then right after just click onto the file that you want to download. Now, once you're in, there's a three dots here onto the upper part. Click onto that, and then you should be able to see share and export. Click onto that, and then there is also a send a copy button in there. So, right after, it will go ahead and create your file. You'll just have to wait for this, and you should be able to see the different options to go ahead and save it. So, for you to be able to save it to your files, click on to save the files, and then you should choose a folder in here, and then right after, just click on to save. And that's just basically it on to how to save Google Docs to files on iPhone. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.